Leaders should actively promote physical, mental, and emotional health. When employees feel supported in their well being journey, they are more likely to be engaged, productive, and resilient in the face of challenges. One of the easiest ways of promoting a culture of well being is to live your life as a leader who focuses on your whole self. Prioritize what's important to you and be authentic when speaking about it. And really talk about how you promote your own mental and physical health, because this signals to others that they can do the same. We also want to recognize and celebrate diversity. Acknowledging the diverse experiences and backgrounds within the workplace is crucial for leading the whole person. Inclusive leaders create an environment where employees feel valued and respected for their individuality. This can lead to an increase in creativity and innovation as employees from various backgrounds can bring their unique perspectives to the table.